The machine is known by the name of full pneumatic pouch packing machine, which is capable of packing 1 gram to 10 gram powder or granules. It is a pharma grade machine with full body made up of SS304. Doors and cladding is done in SS304. Free flow material or non-free flow material is filled in the cups by hopper. Scraper unit scraps the excess material, which ensures the very fine accuracy of the weight in cups. The dumping is through shutter base unit. We can have side seal, center seal and 4 side seal session in powder and granules. It is capable to pack medicines, chili flakes, oregano powder, cola powder, tea, spices, salt, sugar, silica gel, pedicure kit and many more products. Ferrule number is provided on each and every wire for tracing wire easily. All motors are embedded with communication VFD. The material contact parts are fabricated and manufactured in SS304. Machine is embedded with high quality multicolor photocell with color teaching facility.